Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now in this video I bring you a funny little clip of a Nigerian bride at her wedding. So I'll play you the clip and then we'll come back and we'll discuss it. So there you saw in that clip a Nigerian bride at her wedding warning her friend not to outshine her, not to outdance her, otherwise she would slap her. Now, I'm not sure if she meant that or not, but you can tell clearly that she wasn't particularly pleased that her friend was trying to form more than her, and this really is a code among girls, I think. You know, don't outshine your friend, especially on her wedding day, and if you outshine her, then woe betide. And that just struck me. So it struck me as funny, and I thought I'll share it with you guys. So what are the codes around our wedding day amongst women? Let's have a conversation about girl codes in the comment section. So I'll leave you here and then we'll go have that girly chat in the comment section. But before we go have that girly chat in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a video. If I haven't done that, come join me and let's talk girly in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.